Namaste, welcome back. So today 18th of September we are going to talk about 19th of September levels, right? Chalo, before going ahead, what happened today, how our markings played, let us go into a monthly. See, monthly, this is running candle, huh? So monthly, can you see this trend line? So after touching this trend line, you have to be very careful. Weekly, this is a weekly chart, sorry, right? So week tomorrow खत्म होएगा, उसके बाद next week we have to be more careful on going long side, क्योंकि long side के लिए positions थोड़े trend line को तोड़ा नहीं है अभी तक, right? Monthly वाला जो trend line है that has not got broken, so we have to be careful on taking up the long positions from here onwards. चलो 15-minute chart, let us see. Today we opened gap up straight above our second level, right? There was no trade in between. Once this level got broke, right, once we got broke over here, that is at 10 o'clock, but did not, second candle uske niche nahi khula, so the trade was not on. It went back up again we got a red candle below our resistance at 11:30. It was hovering over there itself for a very long time till 12:15, and after that we got a trade which got activated, right? In between over here, premiums were getting eaten. Can you see, till 12:15, from 9:30 to 12:15 premiums were getting eaten. So I do not know how I already initiated कि भाई let us keep the lot size very less today, right? So we got this trade. If you see it in a 5 minutes, we can see a very good trade. Can you see this? So good trade on a put side till here. After that there was no trade, and around 2:45 which started moving back up again, right? तो daily में आज candle क्या बनाया है? Did anyone see? Hi. So यहाँ पे क्या करने का? कुछ नहीं कर सकते. So let us mark the levels. See, today we have closed little bit down from where we have opened today, indicating sellers are in control at this position. Trend is up, but the sellers are little bit in position over here, but wick is downside, a very long wick. So tomorrow's opening, how it should be, and if it is a gap up opening, what we should do, if it is a gap down opening or a flat opening. Plus tomorrow is a Friday, right? So let us start marking down. This blue line is nothing but a monthly trend line, right? Month ka trend line hai. If that breaks, then only we can see it for 25,550 levels. Till that time, no. Yes, this is going to be my resistance. 25,450 is my resistance. If I break that, I can look out for another say 30-40 points movement only, because immediately there is a monthly trend line. You get me? And if you open gap up, and if you are not crossing this trend line tomorrow, I am talking about tomorrow, if the Nifty is not crossing this trend line, be careful. If a red candle forms, you can take up a small positions, and you can start adding up the positions for the short side. You get me? But till the time we do not breach 50 EMA, short is not yet activated. बात समझ में आई? Right? So this is, let us delete this one. This is my support 25,345, and if that support gets broke up, 25,280 is the level which we are looking out for, and after that this a small level over here, there is a demand zone and plus a gap over there, right? 25,250 का level, that is 30 points का ही momentum है. If that breaks, then 25,210 and then 25,162. Below 25,162 I am not looking out for tomorrow. ठीक है, एंड ज़्यादातर साइडवेज होने के चांसेस ज़्यादा लग रहा है. लेट अस चेक आउट द OI ऑल्सो. ठीक है, OI Nifty is at 1 neutral. Bank Nifty is also at 1.11, which is also neutral. So लेवल टू लेवल काम करेंगे. फ्लैट ओपनिंग आएगा, वेट, either it comes at resistance and forms a red candle, go for short, or if it comes at support and it forms a green candle, go for long. उसके टिल इसके बीच में कोई ट्रेड्स मत करना. ठीक है, if you open gap down and we are still above our support zone, wait for 15 minutes, let the candle form, and then you can plan for the trade, otherwise not. ठीक है, so this is about Nifty. Sensex also, our levels played very well today. Great trades came down, expiry level भी था आज, right? तो Sensex also same, निफ्टी का जैसे लेवल्स है वैसे ही है. Sensex we have not seen the monthly. Let us see the month candle. Monthly trend line, we can have a trend line drawn over here also, from this tip to this tip, right? So weekly में same levels, निफ्टी जैसे ही वैसे ही है. Okay, little bit of a change. Okay, little bit of a change, क्योंकि टिप के ऊपर रहना चाहिए ना. हाँ, got it. So let us move on to the daily. Same candles formation आया रहेगा. But we were talking about a small gap over here, I think so, day before yesterday or on Friday, I do not know, I do not remember the date, but we were looking out for stoppage at this levels which we had today. Chalo, in a 15 minute, let us quickly mark up. In between here, avoid the trades. Blue line I am not marking because blue line is not required for tomorrow. And if this support breaks, we can look out for Sensex to come till 82,750, and after that 80 to 530 and 82,084, right? And if I break my resistance, that is at 83,160, we can look out for 83,390 and then 83,673. In between, there is a blue line which is a trend line on a monthly chart. जब तक ये क्रॉस नहीं करता है, अपसाइड बिग टाइम मूवमेंट्स के लिए हम लोग रेडी नहीं है, राइट? एंड सिंस वी हैव कम अ लॉन्ग वे इन अपसाइड, retrenchments are expected. As we see today also, we had a small retrenchment and then it bounced back. ठीक है, so Nifty, Sensex done. Let us move to Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty, yes, so moves here, this one moves here. बैंक निफ्टी में मंथली देख लेते हैं एक बार. That would be a good sign. Let us check it out. Oh, monthly we are still running candle, so as such Sensex and Nifty में जैसा है वैसा नहीं है. Sure, 15 minutes. Do not trade in between. Over here we will have a small blue line. नहीं है blue line. This is not suggested. So let it. अभी ये why it is not suggested today, or that all things comes under learning. So downside movement after breaking 55,495, we can look out for 55,250 and then 55,71. But this big movement is not expected. 500-600 points ka momentum is not expected tomorrow. Little bit of sideways hoega, and then we can expect in the next week, right? And if I break 55,840 levels, 55,950 level, uske baad 56, this one, 56,155 level, and then this level, that is 56,125 levels, 325, sorry. Okay, so this is the levels for tomorrow. Yeah, 55,967 है in the bank nifty. Okay, so these are the levels for tomorrow. In between these two black lines, avoid the trades because tomorrow is a Friday. Friday generally it is a dry day, I would say, but okay. So this is the updated Excel sheet, right? Trend, today we took an entry at 5155, stop loss is 4514, but only 30%. Can you see? The SL is 800. Normally the SLs are 1800, but here the SL is 800. And apart from that, GTL Infra at 1 rupee 61 paise, it is still at that levels. Right? GTL Infra देखो hero zero है because GTL Infra has already given up a move in this year. 1 rupee 60 90 पैसे से लेके 4 rupees तक वो already जाके आया. So let us slowly and steadily take that. Let trend, as discussed yesterday, it was an entry in a daily chart, right? Weekly we are still weak, in daily also we are weak, but expecting some movements. This gap down and we are basing at that level. So expecting a turnaround movement from here, but still not confirmed. That's why it took only 30%. 5155 was the entry. Why 5155? 15 minutes में एक demand zone है. Can you see this? Rally base, rally, right? So in that demand zone, जैसे ही यहाँ पे आया, we took up an entry 5155 पे. ठीक है? Can you see downward movement था and then sideways हुआ, sideways से upward होता है. That's the reason यहाँ पे small sizing से हम लोगों ने entry लिया है. Fed Fina, we are 2 rupees below our cost. Dixon, we are just 800 rupees away from our target. Right? इसको थोड़ा छोटा कर देता हूँ. Right? Now you will be able to see. Persistent, we have already closed. HAL, the second entry which was taken on 26th of August at 4386, it achieved the target of 1:2 at 4792, so we exited at 4792. Got it? It is still moving. HAL now it is at 4856. ठीक है. HCL 1475. HCL we got a 12 rupees momentum today from our cost also. Right? 1480 is our cost. किधर गया? HCL 1475. ठीक है. Precall we have already closed. We have achieved the target. BDL second position which was taken on 12th of August. Right? We achieved the target. First position is still open. Asian Paints, it is still open. We are, I think so, little bit below our cost. यहाँ पे देख लेंगे किधर है Asian Paints. यहाँ पे 2478 it is current running, and we have taken entry at 2507. IGIL I think so we got a momentum. Yeah, 378 still there, little bit down from yesterday. Oro Pharma 1128, right? So nearing our target आ सकता है क्या? Yeah, good momentum. See, movements अच्छे मिले. That is a good sign. Reliance at cost. TCS 76 rupees up. Mother's Instrument is a long term. Short term is already achieved. IGL we talked about. As Sagility आज थोड़ा momentum मिला. That is a nice one. 2 रुपए का ही momentum है. So Trent is the new entry today, and GTL Infra, right? Gen Pharma भी आप देख सकते हो. It is also in Hero Zero sort of penny stock है. See, penny stock आपका stop loss 0 होता है, right? So when you invest in a penny stock, you have to be careful, right? कितना कर रहे हो, क्या कर रहे हो. So in Gen Pharma we have not taken ahead because we have already invested in 3 penny stocks, almost taking up a risk of 15,000, right? But ये 15,000 का risk क्यों? Let us see why 15,000. Can you see the total P&L? जिसके profits हमने book किए, even loss भी जो book किया है वो भी है. So it is 23,627 on a capital of 10 lakhs, huh? See, even though we have utilized 5,66,000 and we have the cash in hand is 7,06,000, बड़ा कर देता हूँ. But the ROI is always measured on total capital involved. You got it? So this is the equity. Now I got a question कि भाई इसको हम लोग बनाए कैसे, तो क्या क्या है, let us discuss it out. What is there in this file, and what are the क्या बोलते हैं, formulas कहाँ कहाँ लगाए हैं. Date on which we are taking the entry, what is the script name, entry level, SL क्या है, SL का amount fix किया हमने, right? तो उस basis पे आपको target मिला. If I am taking an SL of 127 rupees, the double should be the target. तो 127 को double करके उसको entry level के साथ add कर दिया, we get the target. Status is nothing but open. मतलब आप is the trade still open or not, or you have planned a trade. Say, let us see, I have planned a trade in ABB. Let us say I have planned a trade in ABB. So what I have to do is I have to insert a row over here, and ABB should be my script. Date डालना मत. Do not put the date. Whatever is your entry level. So let us check it out very fastly. ABB का entry level, what is the thing which I am looking out for? ABB, right? So ABB में I think so in a 2 hours that is a demand zone. Yeah. So in a 2 hours, that is a demand zone at 5254, right? So I am planning up an entry over here. आया है क्या अभी तक एंट्री? नो, द आंसर इज नो. माई स्टॉप लॉस इज मिनट. हाँ, सो माई स्टॉप लॉस इज दिस. टारगेट क्या रहेगा? 1:2. You get it? So my entry is at 5255. So I have to put it over here, 5255. What is my stop loss? My stop loss is this, that is 5193. 5193. Now SL का अमाउंट क्या है? 62 रुपीज. देखो, दिस गेट्स कैलकुलेटेड ऑटोमेटिकली. टारगेट क्या है? 5379. क्या एम आई सीइंग द टारगेट ओवर हियर एट 5379? ऑलमोस्ट दैट, राइट? इसका हम लोग ओपन करते हैं. 5254.9 इज माई एंट्री प्राइस. 5254.9 is my entry price, and stop loss is 5194.1. 5194.1 is my stop loss. टारगेट क्या है? 5385. आया है क्या? नहीं, 5376 is my target. 5376. 76.5 is my target. हो गया? 1:2, right? So now what should be the status? Open है, closed है? No. Planned. You got it? तो exit price तो आया नहीं. What should be the quantity? If I'm going to take an SL of 1800, what should be the quantity? 29.6. तो 30 ले सकता हूँ? Yes. बाकी सब चीज़ें ऑटोमेटिकली कैलकुलेट हुआ है. दैट इज फॉर्मूलाज बेस्ड, और कुछ नहीं. इन्वेस्टमेंट क्या है? 30 इंटू जो प्राइसिंग पे आप इन्वेस्ट करने वाले हो, दैट इज योर इन्वेस्टमेंट अमाउंट, राइट? बट दिस इज स्टिल नॉट एक्टिव, सो दैट्स व्हाई आई हैव टू डिलीट इट. अदरवाइज क्या होगा? इन्वेस्टमेंट अमाउंट में वो ऐड हो जाता है. सो दिस नाउ द एबीबी इज प्लान्ड, राइट? तो यू कैन पुट अप अ फिल्टर. आप क्या कर सकते हो? You can put up a filter so that स्टेटस में यू कैन चेक कि भाई ओपन कितने हैं, क्लोज्ड कितने और प्लान कितने हैं. तो डीसेलेक्ट ऑल एंड प्लान पे क्लिक करो, ओपन करो. यू विल सी ऑल योर पेंडिंग ट्रेड्स ओवर हियर. ठीक है? डेली चेक करना सो दैट यू विल कम टू नो कि भाई ट्रेड्स मतलब 5254 पे आया तो ट्रेड क्लिक होना चाहिए ना. सो यू कैन पुट अप एन अलर्ट ऑल्सो ओवर हियर. राइट क्लिक करना एंड देन किधर गया अलर्ट? नो, अलर्ट यहाँ पे नहीं है, मोबाइल पे है. फाइन. सो अलर्ट यहाँ पे, देयर मस्ट बी अ थिंग टू पुट अप एन अलर्ट ओवर हियर ऑल्सो, बट मोबाइल पे जनरली अलर्ट्स रहते हैं मेरे. So ABB when it comes to 5254, not 54 exactly, not 5260 पे आएगा ना, तभी वो अलर्ट बजा देगा so that I can review of the trades again कि भाई ये पोजीशन अभी भी इंटैक्ट है या नहीं है, ये डिमांड जोन अभी भी इंटैक्ट है या नहीं है. You got it? This is how it has to be planned, and that plan has to be tracked down. नहीं तो क्या होएगा? आके चले गया, आपको मालूम ही नहीं है, आपने ट्रेड्स ढूंढ के रखे हैं, बट व्हेन इट कम्स टू एन एग्जीक्यूशन you do not know this trade has come or not. So two things you have to plan. One is you have to update your Excel sheet. Second is you have to put up an alert. When alert 5-6 rupees ऊपर रखने का, so that when it comes over there, you get the time to review the trade. You got my point? Chalo. So the ABB is planned for entry of 5255. Tomorrow have a safe trading session. Friday है. और एक चीज चेक कर लेते हैं, FII DI डेटा. So today is 18th and 18th का FII DI डेटा क्या है? आओ. So index, 10,420 19 करोड़ का इन्फ्यूजन. निफ्टी बैंक में 489 करोड़ का इन्फ्यूजन. फाइन. So this is how it is. आज पैसा इन्फ्यूजन अच्छा खासा हुआ है. DI कैश इन्फ्यूजन है, FII कैश इन्फ्यूजन, FII इंडेक्स फ्यूचर्स में भी इन्फ्यूजन है. जनरली निफ्टी में ही इन्फ्यूजन ज़्यादा है. अभी कहाँ इन्फ्यूजन है? लेट अस चेक ऑन निफ्टी. ओह न्यूट्रल है. 25,000 के पुट में भी है, 25,500 के कॉल्स में भी, एंड 26,000 के कॉल्स में भी है. सो इट इज़ न्यूट्रल. करंटली इट इज़ न्यूट्रल. पोजिशन कल कैसे कहाँ चेंज होएगा, लेट अस चेक इट आउट. सो टुमारो between back ends, do not trade. Once you cross the resistance, you can look out for a trade, or if you break the support, you can look out for the trade. In between, no trades. Okay? So have a great day. Have a successful trading session tomorrow. Take care. See you soon.